Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to refill our polymer container. First things first though, we want to make sure this stuff doesn't fly into our eyes, nose, and mouth. So we got to have the right PPE. You also don't want it connecting to our skin. So we wear our safety glasses, right? Have a face mask so it doesn't fly. I've had that experience before. Okay, and then our gloves. Okay, so now to refill our container, we don't want to take the container out of the cradle. So instead what we're going to do is we're just going to unscrew it from the pole. So unscrew the pole like so. Okay. Take off the lid. Okay, and here's our polymer supply. Just take one of these, you know. Sometimes I just want to scoop it out because this can be potentially wet or dirty, and I don't want to contaminate my polymer. So there we go. You know, I'll fill out about 9-10 ounces because it's about, 5 ounces per load that we want to do. Okay, so now I put the lid back on, close up our supply right away. Now we're just going to screw it on, but we want to do that by keeping it upright. So we're just going to screw it back on and then use the little pin, safety pin, to just lock it in place. So now we're ready to go. Okay, so now that we have our polymer, this is just for demonstration, but just imagine there's polymer in here. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and apply it onto our trailer to prep the trailer. So again, first things first, we want to make sure we have our face mask, eyewear, and also gloves to just avoid that contact. Also, you don't want to be applying where the wind is blowing in your direction. You want to be applying it opposite to the direction of the wind so it doesn't fly onto you. Okay. So another safety tip is we want to make sure the container keeps dry because we don't want to activate the polymer either, right? So here we go. Hold that for me, please. Thank you. So first things first, we're gonna keep it upright, and then we're gonna extend the pole at the necessary length. So I think that's it. Okay. And then the next step, what we're gonna do is just kind of lean it, keeping it upright. We're just gonna lean it on the trailer, and as we go, we're just gonna tilt. Tilt. Tilt, tilt, tilt. Then if you want to get to the other side, we just go ahead and do the same process. Okay, so we've done applying, and if there any kind of material that's spilled, we want to use a broom to clean that up, again, just to avoid contact with yourself, and just keep the area clean. And after that, if it's empty, you just properly stash it with your broom and make sure it's secure so it doesn't fly, and that should be all.